This is the HD 180/270 Annex room. You're able to attach it to your 270 or 180 full-size awning with the Velcro attachments as well as some ballistic clips. You can have the PVC flooring. It's removable and you're able to clean it and attach it pretty easily, as well as a rear access panel with up to 7 pockets. And you can have it fully open, the screens up, or fully enclosed for your campsite.